Struggling to find the perfect luggage for your next big adventure? Whether you're checking in for a long-haul flight or packing for an extended getaway, having the right suitcase can make all the difference. Let's look at 7 of the best options that offer ample space and durability for checked baggage, with features that cater to different travel styles. And don't worry, we've included links in the description so you can check out the prices or buy them directly. Let's dive in. The first on the list is the American Tourister Soundbox. Known for its expandable design, this suitcase allows you to pack more without worrying about space. It expands up to 1.5 inches, translating into more flexibility when you're packing those extra outfits or souvenirs. On top of that, it features a TSA-approved lock, meaning your belongings are secure but also easily accessible during airport security checks. Picture yourself on a family vacation, and you realize you need just a bit more room for everyone's gear. This bag's expandable feature will solve that problem without any stress. One standout aspect is its vibrant circular design that not only looks stylish, but also helps it stand out at baggage claim. Plus, its lightweight construction ensures you're not weighed down when dragging it through the airport, making it a great option for both business and leisure travelers. Next up is the Amazon Basics LN20164-24. Built with hard shell protection, this suitcase offers a durable outer layer that resists impact and scratches, giving you peace of mind as it's tossed around by baggage handlers. This is especially useful for travelers who carry delicate items like electronics or souvenirs. It also includes a spacious interior with 3 zippered pockets, giving you an organized way to store your essentials. Imagine being on a business trip and you want to keep your formal attire separate from casual clothes. This suitcase makes that easy. An extra feature worth mentioning is its 360-degree spinner wheels. This makes navigating crowded airports or tight spaces feel like a breeze, as it rolls smoothly in any direction without much effort. Its no-nonsense design is simple but effective, making it a great budget-friendly option for any traveler. The third one is the Samsonite S'Cure spinner. Built with Samsonite's signature Flowlight material, this suitcase is incredibly lightweight, yet offers outstanding durability. This means you can pack more while keeping the suitcase itself lighter, which is a huge benefit for those who tend to push the weight limit. Picture yourself on a European tour. This bag will easily fit in all your essentials without bogging you down. It also comes with a 3-point locking system, which is excellent for those who prioritize security. Imagine going on a long vacation and needing peace of mind that your valuables are safe. This suitcase has got you covered. Another perk is its well-thought-out interior, designed to maximize packing efficiency. Its sleek design and sturdy build make it an ideal option for frequent travelers looking for a reliable, high-quality suitcase. Moving on to number 4, we have the SwissGear Sion softside. Designed with multiple front pockets, this suitcase provides quick access to travel documents, gadgets, or a light jacket. If you're the type of traveler who likes to keep essential items within reach, this design will make your life a lot easier. Additionally, it features reinforced lifting handles, which are super useful when you're pulling your suitcase out of a car or off an airport carousel. Imagine you're on a domestic flight and you need to stash your jacket or phone charger. Those front pockets will be a lifesaver. Its 360-degree spinner wheels allow you to glide through the airport without a hitch, while the expandable interior ensures you've got extra space if needed. This is an excellent option for those who want a soft-sided suitcase with all the convenience of modern features. At number 5, we have the Samsonite Freeform hardside. Built for the traveler who values both form and function, this suitcase combines ultra-light materials with a sleek, modern look. One of its most impressive features is its double spinner wheels, which allow for maximum maneuverability without putting strain on your wrist or shoulder. Imagine weaving through a busy airport or bustling streets with ease. That's what you'll get here. In terms of organization, its interior offers multiple pockets and compartments to separate your clothes, toiletries, and gadgets, making packing a breeze. The suitcase also comes with a recessed TSA lock, so your belongings remain safe and secure even during long flights. Its futuristic design paired with functionality makes it an excellent option for travelers looking to invest in a high-quality bag that looks as good as it performs. Next on the list is the SHOWKOO luggage set. This set offers excellent value for money, providing you with 3 suitcases in different sizes for a complete travel solution. Known for its durable ABS hardshell material, the SHOWKOO set ensures your luggage will stand up to the wear and tear of constant travel. A unique feature of this set is the built-in USB port on the largest suitcase, allowing you to charge your devices on the go, perfect for those who travel with a lot of electronics. Imagine being stuck at the airport with your phone battery dying, and all you need to do is plug into your suitcase. Its multi-directional spinner wheels also make it easy to roll across various terrains. So whether you're navigating a smooth airport floor or rough city streets, this set can handle it. Plus, with its included luggage straps and expandable zippers, you can maximize your packing space without worrying about damaging the bag. Last, but certainly not least, is the Travelpro Maxlite 5 softside. As one of the lightest options in its category, this suitcase is designed for those who need durability without the bulk. Its polyester fabric is coated with a water and stain-resistant finish, ensuring your bag looks good trip after trip. Picture taking this bag on an outdoor adventure or a cruise where weather can be unpredictable and knowing it's up for the challenge. Inside, you'll find tie-down straps and several compartments that help keep your items in place, so you won't be dealing with wrinkled clothes when you arrive. What really sets this bag apart is its contoured grip and 4-wheel spinners, which give you extra comfort and control when rolling the suitcase across long distances. Perfect for travelers who want a lightweight, high-performing, soft-sided suitcase. So there you have it. 7 of the best suitcases for checked baggage, each offering something unique to cater to different travel needs. To wrap up, these suitcases each bring something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. The American Tourister Soundbox is ideal for those seeking flexibility, with its expandable design, while the Samsonite Freeform stands out for its sleek design and superior maneuverability. If you're on a budget but still want quality, the Amazon Basics model is a solid choice. And for frequent travelers who need lightweight reliability, the Travelpro Maxlite 5 is perfect. And for anyone looking for a set that covers all travel needs, the SHOWKOO luggage set is a fantastic option. For the best quality-to-price ratio, the SHOWKOO luggage set stands out, offering exceptional features at an affordable price. However, if you prioritize top-notch quality and security above all, the Samsonite S'Cure is the superior choice due to its advanced locking system and durable build. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to see the prices or make a purchase. Transform your travels with these incredible luggage options. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.